Here's how your WordPress website can go from this to this. In this video, I'll show you how to install the free Kadence theme and customize it for your WordPress website. Hi, I'm Kevin and welcome to my channel. I provide software tips for solopreneurs that can help with their online business. If you're looking to start a WordPress website, check out my ultimate guide for creating a website, link in the description. Now let's get started. Let's install the free Kadence theme on our WordPress website. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Themes. Click on Add New Theme. In Search Themes, search for Kadence. Kadence is a free theme with a lot of customization options that you can install. Click on Install and activate the theme. Next, let us install the Kadence starter template. I recommend installing the starter template because you get a start to your WordPress website. You will get some of the pages already customized, such as the home page. So it makes it a lot easier to set up your WordPress website. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Kadence Starter Template. Install now and activate it. The last thing I would recommend to install is Kadence Blocks. This is also free and you get a lot of functionality with Gutenberg blocks that are created by Kadence. So you get a lot of customization and adding elements you can do for your WordPress website. Again, go to Add New Plugin. Search for Kadence Blocks. This is the one we want, Gutenberg blocks by Kadence Blocks. Click Install now. Activate it. So now you have installed everything you need for customizing your website with the Kadence theme. The Kadence theme itself, the starter templates, and the Kadence blocks. All of them are free. You don't need to pay for any of them. Now let us select one of the starter templates so that we can start customizing our website. Go to your WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Kadence, and the starter templates. Click on the starter templates. Now here there are free and pro templates. We only need to look at the free templates. So select the filter and only select the free. There are many templates over here and it can be confusing that which should we select. You can have templates for interior design, online courses, and it has a lot of functionality built in that you can use. My suggestion is to go for a simple template because you can customize it later on. You can remove pages, you can add pages, you can remove elements, add elements. So keep it simple initially, just use a simple template. One such simple template I found is this recipe blog. So click on that. You can already change the color scheme based on your needs directly from here when selecting the starter template. To install the starter template, click on the full site button. So this will import a template into your WordPress website. You don't need to worry about subscribing, just click on skip, start importing. So the Kadence starter template has been imported. You can check how your site looks. Just click on this finish view of site. So the site already looks quite good because it imported this Kadence starter template. It already has some blocks added to it that makes it look a bit better than the default WordPress theme that you use. The Kadence template will add some default pages and plugins. You might not need some of them, so feel free to go and delete them. I don't need this recipe card blocks plugin, so I'll go and deactivate it and delete the plugin. There are some pages that this starter template created, like the about, contact, home, recipes. So we can change these as per our liking. The recipes page is a blog page. It's just renamed as a recipes for this template. Now we are done with installing the Kadence theme. Let's go and customize this theme for our brand. So to customize the theme in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Customize. With the Kadence theme, you get a lot of options to customize based on your needs. On the left side, you can see the different options. I'll go through the major options that can help customize this for your brand. The first thing we'll look at is how you can customize the colors based on your brand. Now, some might have a confusion that what color should I use. If you are not sure about your brand colors, you can pick something that looks great. One of the options is to go to the website coolers.co. If you just want to know some quick colors that you can choose, click on Explore Trending Palettes. You can get a lot of options and pick any one of them for your need. Or if you want to pick something on your own, go to Start the Generator. You can choose between different palettes by clicking the space bar. It will change the palettes. If you find some color that is good enough, you can lock it. And if you continue pressing space bar, the other colors will change. If you like something from this, you can lock this. Again, press space bar to continue checking the other options. Once you have your brand colors, you can go to this colors and fonts option in customizing the Kadence theme. Go to colors. In global palette, you can change the colors based on your brand colors. So this applies to all the colors in your theme for the headers, the H1, H2, H3, the paragraphs, for the links. So this changes it globally. I change this. You can see it's changing the color on the page. Let's now look at changing the fonts based on what we need for our brand. So if you already know your fonts, you can directly go for customization. If you don't know about which font you should use, there is a website FontJoy where you can get some good ideas. On FontJoy, you can see that it gives you some pairing of fonts. On the left side is the name of the fonts, and on the right side it shows you how it will appear. Click on Generate if you want to try some other combinations. So with every generate, you can get idea of what fonts you need. You can lock a font that you like and then continue generating for some other ideas. Once you know what fonts you want to use, go back to customize your Kadence theme. Go into colors and fonts, typography. And here in the base font, you can set whatever fonts you want. You can also change the fonts for each of the headings, H1, H2s, to the paragraph from here. So you can pick any of the font that you need from here, and it applies to your website. You can change whether you want it regular, italic, bold. You can change the size of the font. My suggestion is always go for something above 16 pixels because that looks good for the reader, whether it's on a desktop or on mobile. Let's customize the header of your WordPress website now. In Customize, go to the header option. You can change the logo, the primary navigation, the social links. Now this depends on which theme and which starter template you are using. In our case, the starter template and the theme we are using gives us these options. So go to logo, select logo, and here you can change the logo to whatever you want. If you're looking to create a logo fast and for free, you can check out Shopify free logo maker. It gives a good option. In Google, search for Shopify logo maker. Click on the free logo maker. So this is a free tool and it allows you to make a logo very fast. Click on create a logo now. Choose one of the options. It doesn't matter which option. You can pick any one of them. Click next. Choose again any one of them. Click next. Give a name. Here give the name of your website or your brand that you have selected. Click next. Choose that you need it for an online store or website. You get many options to choose from. Pick any logo that you find good enough for your website. Click edit logo. You can change the font, colors, layouts of this logo. Click next. You can now download all the different formats. You'll get formats for your website, for social media, all of them created for you. And you click download. You will need to register because this will download to your email address. Once you have created your logo and downloaded your logo, come back over here in your WordPress dashboard, customizing the header and select the logo that you created. In my case, I created this logo, so I can select that. You can change the logo max width, the logo layout. I prefer only keeping the logo, so I select this. Next, we can customize the primary navigation. So this is the menu that you see on your website. You can select the primary menu that you want. You will need to create the menu. In my case, if I select this. In the header, you can customize the social media icons that you will see. So click on social. Here you can add any social media that you want. YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. To set the social links, click on set social links. Here add links to all the social media that you want. Now let's customize the footer of your WordPress website. In the customize, go to footer. Here you have the option to customize the footer navigation, which is the footer menu, the social media that you can have on the footer, and the copyright. Click on footer navigation and here you can select the menu that you want in your footer. Click on social. Here again you can have the social media icons that you want in the footer. Click on copyright. You can add any copyright you want for your website. There is already the default copyright, your site title, theme credit. If you want, you can remove the theme credit which appears below, that this theme is by Kadence. Next, there is the general option. There are a lot of options in this and I won't go into much detail about this. You can do this on your own. So it's like you can change the width of your website or you can enable comments. So many such things are available in the general customization options. Let's go to the post page layout customization. This is a very important setting because you can use this to change your page or WordPress blog post layout. If you want a sidebar, if you don't want it, if you want a wide page, all these settings you can do in this page single post layout. Click on page layout. Here you have a lot of options to make changes to your page. If we go to an example page, such as the about page, so you can customize the page layout and see how it changes real time. You can change the width of the page, you can change the alignment of the text, you can change what appears on the page, such as the title, breadcrumbs, meta tags, whether you want to show the author image, date, time. All these changes you can do via this customization option of page layout. You can have a sidebar if you want for your pages. You can show your featured image if you have any for the page. Also, you can enable comments for your pages. I don't use this option on the page. I use them for my blog post. For the pages, I disable all these options. Now let's check the single post layout. So this is the customization of your post layout, which is the blog post on your WordPress website. Similar to the page, you can do a lot of customization here. What you want to see on the page in the titles, breadcrumbs, categories, author name, author box, author image. Show the date, time when you publish the post. Show the last updated date, which is what I use. You get all of these options when customizing in the Kadence free theme. Whether you want a sidebar or not. Show the featured image or not. Sometimes you show the featured image, sometimes you don't, depending on the niche. It might make sense. Show the post author box, whether you want to show it at the bottom or not. Show a related post section at the bottom. Archive layout settings or customization is for your blog post archive pages, category pages, tag pages. I don't bother with this because I don't think they are that important. Another important customization, site identity, which includes your logo, title, and icon that you see in your browser. We already saw how to create a logo and customize the logo. I create the favicon from the logo itself. So if you select the site icon, here you can have your favicon. So this is the default which came with this starter template. But I just edit my logo and create the favicon. It has to be this 512 by 512 pixels, which you can create in any image editor. You can customize the menus, but you first need to create your menus. Once you have created them, you can go and add them over here, which is your primary menu, or which is one which you want to display in the header, which is one you want to display in the footer. The last important customization is this homepage settings, which is good enough by default. You want a static page, which is your homepage on your website. You don't want a blog role, which used to be the default with WordPress, but now it defaults for a static page, which is a good option. Your static page is this home page, which we see, and the post page or the WordPress blog post page you can set over here. Recipes is the name given by the standard template, but this is basically the blog role page. Once you're satisfied with all the customization that you've done, click on the publish button to save all your changes. Be careful to click on this. If you don't, you will lose all of your customization settings that you changed. So now you have learned how to install the free Kadence theme on your WordPress website and to customize it based on your brand. If you have any questions or comments on installing the Kadence theme or customizing it, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to you. If you're looking to create your WordPress website from scratch, check out my ultimate guide. The link is in the description below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such tips on building your website that can help your online business. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.